Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Golden Jollof Rice coming to you guys today barefaced. So I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial, and I know I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a minute. So I decided to do this makeup tutorial that was inspired by another YouTuber by the name of Young Africana. She's a Ghanaian sister, like young chocolate sister. So I decided to recreate her look because it was just so pretty. It was this neutral eyeshadow and it had warm tones of brown in the crease. It was just so pretty on her, so I decided to recreate the look. And with that being said, let's get started. So for starters, so the makeup won't get in my hair, I'm just gonna clip my hair back, so I don't want all this stuff to get in my my hair. So now that we're up close and personal, I'm gonna be taking this Becca concealer. It's the Ultimate Coverage Longwear Concealer in Nutmeg to prime my eyelids and cancel out the discoloration because I have panda eyes. Then I'm just gonna buff that out with a blending brush. This is a Real Techniques blending brush. And you see how full coverage it is? A little goes a long way with this concealer. To set it, I'm just gonna take a foundation powder. This one's by a private label. You can just use any foundation powder that is your complexion. On to the fun part. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Yes Please palette. My palette is so beat up. And I'm going to be taking the dark brown shade right here. I'm so embarrassed to show this. It's so dirty. The eyeshadows have gotten everywhere because I use this palette a lot. So I'm going to take the dark brown shade and go in my crease. I'm gonna go in packing motions first. Then I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and just blend everything out. Then I'm gonna pack a little bit more of the brown. And you want to make sure to take your time when you're blending, because you want the crease to be blended out properly. Next, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee so that the light eyeshadow will really stand out. And I'm going to put this right here, the lid. I'm not going to put it on the entire eyelid, just the like front part. And also, this isn't like a sharp cut crease. This is just like a subtle, soft cut crease. It's more blown out instead of the like the blunt cut crease that a lot of people do. So in the Yes Please palette, I'm going to be taking this really light, it's like a blush pink, it's like a pearl white color, and I'm going to put that where we put the concealer. And I'm going to use this small eyeshadow brush. Then I'm gonna go back in the crease with this blending brush and blend out the edges, because you don't want it to look too harsh. I'm gonna take a little bit of the brown eyeshadow and pack it right here to really define the crease. So I'm just gonna add some eyeliner. I don't think I'm gonna do like a full-blown wing. I used to love wings in high school, but I don't like them anymore. So yeah, this is the L'Oreal Paris Carbon Black eyeliner. It has a felt tip. I'm just gonna do like a thin line. Then to hide the liner right here, I'm gonna smoke it out with some brown eyeshadow. I don't feel like using my black eyeshadow. So I just applied some falsies to this eye, and I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera. Now that we're done with the eyes, onto the face. So lately I haven't really been liking foundation. I've been more into the softer makeup, the less heavier cakey stuff. So I'm gonna be using the same concealer I used on my eyes, the Becca Longwear Ultimate Coverage Concealer in Nutmeg, because this is like my exact shade. It matches my complexion seamlessly. And a little goes a long way. So I'm just going to be concealing my dark areas. Like I have some scarring on my forehead and some darkness around my mouth area. So yeah, a little goes a long way. So you really don't need that much with this concealer. It's pretty thick too. And I'm just going to blend it out. Or actually I could use this blending brush. I'm going to be using this blending brush, and then I'm going to blend it out with a sponge. For a contour, I'm going to be using the Black Opal True Colors foundation in the color Ebony. It's more on the red side, and I like using red concealers or foundations for my contours because it makes me look more bronze. I don't like foundations or concealers that are more on the neutral side because they just don't suit my complexion well. If you're around like my complexion, I suggest you use like a concealer or a foundation on the red side. It just looks so pretty on chocolate girls. So I just put some translucent powder mixed in with a face powder that was my complexion under my eyes. And the contour came out all right. I'm gonna add some highlight in a little bit. So this is the finished look.
Okay, so pause. I didn't realize that my lash was lifting until I started editing this video, and it's really bothering me. It's annoying me, but just ignore that, guys. Bear with me.
Did my basic lip combo, and I think I did a good job because it's been a while since I've done eyeshadow, so I thought I was gonna mess up. So yeah, and I fixed my baby hairs because it was looking kind of weird at first. Like, I don't like it to look too harsh. But yeah, with that being said, if you like this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and feel free to leave your feedback in the comment section below. And